It's so small inside here. Oh my god. Hello everyone, welcome back to Lily channel, and I'm Queen again. I'm in Ho Chi Minh right now, and today I'm gonna go to explore Củ Chi Channel and Mekong Delta. That's two very famous places in Ho Chi Minh, and to be honest, it's my first time to visit Củ Chi Channel and Mekong Delta. So the guy told me yesterday it takes about 2 hours from Ho Chi Minh City to get to Củ Chi Channel. Okay, I'm so excited today. The weather is pretty good today. No raining. Let's go and explore it with me.
Okay, let's go.
Finally, after like 2 hours, we arrived to Củ Chi Channel. It's not too bad. 70 kilometers, take 2 hours. We get a little bit traffic jam in inside the Ho Chi Minh City. That's very normal every day. That's good. Finally, we get to Củ Chi Channel. Let's explore with me. From the parking stop, we have to walk a little bit to get inside and cross the entrance, and then walk through the tunnel. They're making a tunnel like this. It's pretty interesting. It's cooler in here because outside is pretty hot. 300 meters, and finally I get to, yeah, here we go. This is the way to get inside the tunnel. It's very small. Oh my god. The entrance to get inside the tunnel is very small. I think it's not only enough for like Vietnamese people because we are very small and thin.
Okay.
Who wants to get in? Let me try. You can do it.
Give demonstration.
Keep it camera. It's so small inside here. Oh my god. It's so dark. Cannot see anything inside. There's only one way to move. It's very small.
Don't go.
Yeah, I will not go. Very small. Can you close it? Close it completely.
A few moments later.
It's so hot.
Your arms up first.
Wow. This entrance is bigger than the other one. We go and check it. There you go.
It's little dark here inside.
Is it enough?
Enough, no? So dark. So completely dark.
Completely dark. There's no light there.
No light there.
No light.
No light, yeah.
It's either flat inside there
No, just go.
Yeah.
Go back. Papaya.
Papaya. Let me use a flat and check. There's no light inside. It's very small. It's really small inside here. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's very small inside here. Yeah. Oh my god. It's gonna be like longer a lot inside here.
Nothing is not there.
There's nothing inside here. I think I'm gonna go out of here. It's very difficult to move inside. Yeah. It's mosquito as well. Oh. Yeah.
Rename the landmine.
Throw it on the.
Yeah, we get set up that under speedboat American
Oh,
Navy
okay.
boat. And when it's the water high tide, what happened? The boat running, boom.
The tour will be more interesting if you have the local tour guide here. They know a lot of like stories about on the trap, ancient and everything. If you go here by yourself, if you see like on the landscape, there are many things, but there's no one like explain for you. You will not know what it is. And with the tour guide, they explain very detailed and tell us a lot of stories about that. So it's very interesting. It's make this area is very like interesting about the history story.
And no matter how thick of your shoes, the middle spike gonna impale the fish and keep your leg over there. And when they got hurt, the first reaction they want to move their legs up.
Can you hear the sound? That's the sound from AK-47 gun. Yeah, right. It costs about 600,000 dong for 10 bullets. I'm gonna go to try it. Let's go. Yeah. I just bought 10 bullets. Gonna go try it. Wow, wow, wow. I need a headphone. Yes, it's very noisy. It's very interesting experience. You should try it and get here. Ah. I've learned the history in high school about Củ Chi Tunnel, but when I get here, there are many like new things about the history about Vietnam War. Make me very interesting. So if you have time, this is a good choice for you to understand more about history of Vietnam. So after 2 hours from Củ Chi Tunnel, we just reached harbor.
Rồi em lên đi.
This is the harbor where we get on the boat to go on Mekong River. Let's go. Đây phải em gì? This is Mekong River. I'm so hungry now. Let's go to eat.
Now we are on part of Algeria River, part of the Mekong River Delta. Here Algeria divides into 6 small branches.
Finally, it's time for lunch. We're gonna go to have lunch in a restaurant in the sides of Mekong River. It's pretty cool restaurant. Let's see what we have for lunch. Wait, boat. Má sao bọn kia nó ăn sớm ấy?
Ăn cơm hỏi tới quá. Con nói gì mà hỏi tới rồi.
We just finished our lunch and now we're gonna go to explore the Mekong Delta. Let's go. So according to the itinerary, we're gonna go to visit the bee farm to see how to make honey. The Vietnamese people, we used to drink honey in the morning with some like warm water. It's good for the stomach and make you have a better day. Okay, so my first stop today is a bee farm. Let's see what it is inside.
Chung là một phút.
Honey. They gave us some honey to try. It's pretty good honey, and I think this is the real one. And here they have the traditional performance. This is a folk music, the traditional music of Vietnam. Ý là vào đây là chỉ có ăn với nghe nhạc này thôi. Ăn nghe nhạc rồi. I'm gonna go to get on the boat to go along the river and see the bamboo forest. Let's go.
Từ khoan
ngồi hướng nào?
Trẻ em say sóng.
Rồi.
Ngồi hướng nào? Đây à?
Phải rồi, lên mũi rồi. Đi ra lò kẹo phải không? Hay xong phải không? Đi ra lò kẹo phải không? Đi
Chỗ
ra
của anh Quỳnh ấy.
Đi ra hay đi vô?
Đi ra. Đi ra.
Phải nói tiếng Tây là kể như hết hương rồi.
Dạ, đi ra. Tụi con đi ra cô ạ. Như vậy đã trên trống chưa cô?
Hả?
Con nói như vậy có trống chưa?
Giống rồi.
Trống rồi à?
Chứ con nói tiếng nước ngoài không hả?
Ông tụi con là người Lào. This is kind of similar to the experience on the bamboo boat in Ninh Bình, you know, in Tam Cốc River or Chang'an River. But I think compared to Ninh Bình, Ninh Bình is so much more beautiful with a mountain, river, and even rice field. Yeah, for my opinion, that's better. Cái chỗ này có sâu không hả cô?
Sao ạ?
Bao nhiêu mét à?
Trái đất rồi, trái đất mét.
Cái này được mét, 2 mét này.
Được ạ.
This deep about it's around 1.5 meter.
Mà phải nói là nước
1.5 meter deep.
thuyền nhau giỏi người bé vậy mà.
It's pretty cool.
Rồi, dây lên được rồi.
Con lên nha, con chào cô nha.
À.
This is a factory to making coconut candy. Oh. They do it very fast. And they sell it here as well. Sorry. 30,000 dong for one package of this, and they have different kind like this. This one is 120,000 dong. I'm gonna buy 5, 6. So here is end of my trip today. Mekong Delta and Củ Chi Tunnel for 1 day trip. This is very nice trip. I have known more about the history and the culture of Vietnamese Southern people. That's pretty nice experience. So thank you so much for the watching, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.